The first Noel, the angels did say, was to certain poor shepherds in fields as they lay, in fields where they lay, keeping their sheep on a
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Sheryl and I love decorating with style on a budget while trying to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. So if that is something you're into, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and become a member of the iStylEmystyle family. Today's video is part of a collaboration that I am co-hosting here with my wonderful YouTube sisters, and our host is Antoinette from Antoinette Decorating. Her co-hosts are myself, Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and Anne from Glam Designs by Anne. And we have a new addition to our group, Joy Candy. And what we wanted to do was inspire you using black and white in your holiday decorating this year. So I have put together this simple yet elegant tablescape. I absolutely love how this came together. It is very budget friendly and so expensive looking, so pretty. I absolutely love everything that is on the table. So let's break it down. As I said, it is very budget friendly and inexpensive. And you guys know I love decorating in black and white. Black and white is on trend for Christmas decorating this year. And I decorate in black and white in my home year round. So I have several things that I am using from my everyday use of dinnerware, along with some new items that I picked up recently from Kirkland's and Hobby Lobby. So we'll start with the place setting. So this place setting, we have this very pretty black metallic charger. I believe I picked this up from either Amazon or Hobby Lobby. I don't remember exactly where I picked it up, but it's oh so pretty. This plate is a new addition this year. I picked this up from Kirkland's, and it reminds me of the plates that I wanted to get at the Old Pier 1 a couple of years ago, but they sold out so quickly. These plates are $6.99, but right now are on sale, and you can pick up a pack of 4 for $20, making them $5 a piece. But I absolutely love the simplistic style of the trees on the white plate. You guys know I am using hints of green around my home, and this fit in the theme perfectly. I've paired it with my very simple thrifted china. You guys have seen this many times before. My napkin came from Amazon, and when you put it all together, it makes a really pretty place setting. My silverware is also thrifted, again from the Goodwill. They were, I think, 59 cents a piece, and it's hammered metal, and originally they came from Pottery Barn. So always check your local thrift stores. You never know what you're going to find, and sometimes you can find some amazing deals. So I just absolutely love the fact that this place setting was very budget friendly and cost effective. Our glassware, this time we're not using my thrifted glassware. We're using my glassware that sort of has an iridescent sheen. I wanted to have that little extra sheen for the Christmas holiday. These came from Burlington's and they were $9.99 for a pack of 4. They are by BB, and BB at one time used to be a high-end brand, not so much anymore, but they still make some very pretty things. So check out your Burlington if you were looking for something with a little shimmer and sparkle. Now to our centerpiece. You guys know I use this black table runner year round. So I kept the table runner, but I added this really pretty pine greenery that I picked up from Kirkland's. It is the Real Touch garland. If you can see that. I love how it pairs with the black. It was also on sale from Kirkland's for $29.99. And I absolutely love the realistic touch and feel of these branches. And I told you guys in a video before that I am loving Kirkland's. Kirkland's has replaced the old Pier 1 for me. Because just look at these plates. Absolutely the old Pier 1 style. The garland, again, it's turned up a notch. I absolutely love it. So if you guys are missing the old Pier 1 like me, make sure you go check out your Kirkland's. This is not a sponsored video. I just love the things I've been seeing there lately. And also, don't mind my cat, sorry. I picked up these really pretty trees. These are black velvet trees from Hobby Lobby. And I picked them up at 40% off. Right now, they are on sale at 50% off. But I love the look that they give to the table. The black and the white and the greenery is oh so pretty. And to kick the centerpiece up a notch, I've also added these mirrored mosaic disco balls. It was inspired by Z Gallery. They had a disco theme this year, and I love the shimmer and sparkle. I wasn't able to pick up any of their pieces. They sold out so quickly, but I have improvised and just added my own little pops of disco around the home to go with my deer and nutcracker theme this year. So I've also paired it with some mercury glass. These are plastic mercury glass bulbs, along with like this really pretty one that's like a champagne, looks like a sparkly bubble of champagne to me. Absolutely love it. These candle holders came from Amazon. It was a pack of 2 for $9.99, so $5 a piece. I will leave a link for everything that I can down below, so make sure you go check them out. And then of course, I have added some black candlesticks that I picked up from Amazon. So I really have enjoyed putting this tablescape together. It totally matches my aesthetic perfectly. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my simple and elegant black and white tablescape for Christmas. If you have enjoyed today's content and this video has inspired you using black and white in your holiday decorating this year, please hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, become a member of the iStylEMYSTYLE family. I would so love to have you join the family if you have enjoyed the content. I am on my way to hitting 5,000 friends and family members. And if you have not yet subscribed, I would so appreciate it if you would do so. It would be a special little Christmas gift to me from you if you could help me reach the 5,000 friends and family mark. So I want to thank Antoinette and Anne for asking me to join them in this collaboration. I so enjoyed it, and I will leave a link for their channels down below. You can go check out what they have come up with in their black and white holiday decorating to inspire you as well. So let's take one more look at the table, and I hope to see you in the next one. And make sure you subscribe. I have tons more Christmas holiday inspiration videos coming up soon.
Please come home. You keep me up all night. I try to